अब हमको कई लोग बोलते हैं कि वाई इज इट इंपॉर्टेंट. चलो ठीक है, मान ली आपकी बात, बट वाई इज इट इंपॉर्टेंट? So again, we have to answer it in a very clever way. I tell my American, academic friends and intellectual friends, कि the West got so much civilization from Greek thought. कहते हाँ, Renaissance, the whole Renaissance is inspired by Greek thought. ठीक है. तो now in every university, आप प्रिंसटन यूनिवर्सिटी में चले जाएं, there is a very prestigious department of classics, which is basically old Greek thought. तो आपको क्लासिक्स पढ़ने का क्या शौक है? आप क्यों पढ़ते जा रहे हैं? Why is it important to teach in the humanities and social sciences? Teach that the foundations of Western civilization start with Greek thought and the Greek origin of so many ideas. If old things are not important, तो वो आप भूल जाएं. आप क्यों नहीं भूल सकते? तो दे टेल मी कि नहीं, एक तो हिस्ट्री के लिए बड़ा एक्यूरेट होना चाहिए, तो आई टेल देम ये जो इंडिया से चीजें आई हैं वो भी एक्यूरेट होनी चाहिए. देन दे से कि जो ओरिजिनल ग्रीक थॉट्स को कोट कर सकता है, प्लेटो को, सोक्रेटिस को, एरिस्टोटल को समझ सकता है, जो काफी कुछ वो पढ़ चुका है, तो हिज नॉलेज विल बी डीपर. यदि वो ओरिजिनल चीजों को ना पढ़ा हो तो उसकी नॉलेज शैलो होगी. तो आई टेल देम द सेम थिंग. You should be studying Bhartrhari, you should be studying Abhinav Gupta, you should be studying Ramanuja, you should be studying Adi Shankara, you should be studying Nagarjun. I can list you 50 great Indian thinkers, every one of them at least as great as any Westerner ever. So why aren't you able to introduce these classical Indian thinkers into the curriculum? जो आपका classics department है, it should not be only Western classics. अब because of the lobbying, one or two Chinese thinkers have been introduced into Department of Classics in some universities, and some Arabic thinkers also because of Islamic lobby, but not great thinkers of our culture, not in the classics department. आपको रिलीजन डिपार्टमेंट में अलग तरह से सिखा देंगे, बट क्लासिक्स इज स्टिल जहां से सिविलाइजेशन शुरू हुई, तो वो उसमें वेस्ट अपने आप को बिल्कुल एक्सक्लूसिव मानता है कि हमने सिविलाइजेशन शुरू की है और हम ही बाकियों को फैला रहे हैं शुरू से. सो मैंने उनको कहा कि द रीजन you require students to quote Plato and Aristotle and so on, and it's considered a sign of being very smart student if you can do that. But you do not require that when the idea came from Indian thought. Reason is that you consider Greek people to be part of our past, our Western past. So they are our ancestors. That is how you think of Greek. So you give them respect. But you think of Indians as those people over there. So because they are those people over there, acknowledging them might even be threatening. कि वो लोग, उनको पास इतना ज्ञान था, तो हम how can we be exporting knowledge and teaching them, because हमने भी तो उनसे भी काफी ज्ञान सीखा है. So this is a complex you have. This is a superiority complex. This is a problem you have. Or if you are talking about universalism and globalization, तो आपको फिर you must also globalize the classics. The teaching of the world classics should be globalized.